Hey, hey you. Have you ever wanted to look at Redbubble? Have you ever wanted to sell art or anything on Redbubble? Have you ever thought about what DBZ Nerdboy's Redbubble account looks like? Well, look no further because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what it looks like. That way, everybody can take a look and have the time to just be able to study what we got going on there and whether or not you guys want to actually sell art or anything like that. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to mention that in the comments and let me know, because basically right now what I'm trying to do is give you guys a good tour, that way you don't feel discouraged and be like, oh, he's just selling his stuff and I don't know. And it's pretty much simple as just putting it up there, putting a couple descriptions in there, and yeah, so I'll show you guys that in a second. So here's my Redbubble. I have a little like art kind of thingy that I did with Fractal Art. It's like a little app that you can get. It's free, it's simple to do. Right now I have a couple designs, and pretty much you just make your account, and this is what the shop looks like. This is mine. So pretty straightforward. You put your stickers or whatever you want. I drew this with Vegeta and all that, and on a piece of sketchbook paper. Pretty simple stuff. My little logo with like Captain Falcon in there or something. Pretty simple. And you got all these prices and stuff, and you can always change it. So if you wanted to add something, like let's say for example I wanted to make a new artwork, I click this, I can put add new work, right? And then it gives you the options of upload something new or create an existing. So I could say, like let's say for example I wanted to put something brand new, like let's just put this picture of Shenron in for some reason. And then you got the picture, it says upload complete. You can replace the image with something else. It's got that little background in there, and then you put the title, put tags on it, put a description, and then you got the colors right there for the codes, that for anybody that wants to use that kind of stuff. And there's your options for what kind of products you want to actually put on the store for that logo or picture, whatever you just uploaded. So basically you can click any one of these. Like this one has a new option for a hat. Like the website sometimes has new options, like this hat for example. You can click edit, and then you go down here and it shows design your product, whatever. You can replace it, resize it, move it around, and whatever. Center it right there, I guess, like that. And then you can just scale it. You can change the color. It says dad hat. Oh my god, that's funny. It's like default color, but it doesn't show nothing really. And you just click apply changes. That's for that. And same thing for a lot of these. You got a dress, sticker magnet, something for your phone. This is pretty simple because you got the whole screen for the phone right here. So if I wanted to, I can just scale it higher. Or nope, that's as close as it's gonna get. Leave it in the center. Set a background to it. So if I wanted it to be like red, but this, because of the picture of the Shenron, there's like pixels behind it, it's gonna stay like that. So I can put a pattern to it, change it to be offset or something. And then if I scaled it, spread it out a little bit, and there you go. I got a bunch of tiny Shenrons on like a phone screen or whatever. So pretty simple. Center horizontally, vertically, whichever. Click apply changes, and then when you look at it, where'd it go? There's that one. See, it shows it on the phone screen like that. Yeah, like that. But pretty much that's how it works. You just kind of pick whatever you want to be put on the store. Little travel mugs, skirts, mugs, scarves. Oh, that's, I think, something new. I haven't seen that. Yeah, and once you have it, you can just set it up and put it on the store. And I'm just gonna actually go back. Yeah, I'm gonna leave because I want to go back to this. You can manage your stuff as well. Like if I go to this, click on account and manage portfolio, and then it shows like this little quick edit thing for your works, like these that I just have made and whatnot, all these different designs. I'm like, say for example I go back to my Vegeta's thing, I called it Vegeta's Pride or whatever, so I click idea right there. Click view, and then this will be the page for all of these available products that I have with that picture on it. Like I have little hoodies or whatever, so I kind of want to get one of these. I haven't gotten one for this, but they're pretty nice. They're pretty fairly priced. Plus, also, I'll show that too. The pricing you can also change, but it's not, you know, it's too much of a difference because the website does all the work, because this is all people that, you know, it's Redbubble, it's their own, they do like 90% of the work, and all you do is put your picture up there, and you know, so when you go to, whoops, I just clicked the wrong thing. When you go to pricing, you can click your account again, and then I believe it is account settings. There's my picture in here, product pricing, and then you can see like the markup of percentage of what you put. So if you raise it or lower it, I usually put all this at like 10% markup, because I mean, I want to keep it as cheap as possible for everybody, to be honest with you, because some of these things are like the tri-blend t-shirt, $23.56. So yeah. Which, I mean, yeah, you know, it's basic, like, mall kind of pricing for stuff, so, but yeah, that's pretty much how my Redbubble looks. I've got pretty much anything you would want to look up. Like, where's the actual search results, if I can search? You can basically click on any of these options, like, let's say, phone cases. These are all the different types, and then when you can also select the different ones. Like, let's say for this one that I have, there's different options. Like, you can click, this is what it would look like on the store end of it. You show the, you know, the case, what it looks like, the design on that, and then you click this model. You can change it so that you can possibly get your phone, like, let's say for example, I actually have a Samsung Galaxy S10, but I don't have this as an Android design, so I would have to change it, but that's okay. You can also, you know, change that as well. Let's say for example, one of these I can change. Oh, these basically I can change that because it's an Android phone. This is for the Galaxy S21, so I can change that to get my phone, which is the Galaxy S10, and there you go. That looks nice. Oh my god. But yeah, so pretty much that's what the Redbubble account, you know, looks like, and how to buy. You can change the tough case or a snap case. Ooh, I like that one better. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, pretty much I just wanted to show you, you know, what Redbubble looks like, and you know, please be sure to check it out. Please, I'm gonna do the thing. Please check out my Redbubble. All the prices can be changed because you see that I can change it. So yeah, go ahead and take a look, like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and hope you guys see you in the next one. Bye.